What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 4 because you're probably ready to upgrade to the next generation of consoles, have it be the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox Series S or X, and you want to completely delete everything off it so nobody can get it. Well, I'm going to walk you through the process for this. It's really simple, but it does take a little bit of time to do it. So let's jump into this video. All right, so let's get into this factory reset. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to the very top. So you're on this top blade up here, and you wanna go all the way over to the right until you see settings and tap on that. Now what you wanna do is go all the way to the bottom. And before we do this, you might want to back up your system. You know, I don't know if you're going to a PlayStation 5 or staying PlayStation 4 or even getting a new PlayStation 4. You can back up your data. There's a little setting in here. If you go into backup and restore, it's actually in system, and then go all the way to the bottom. You'll see backup and restore. You can back up and restore the PS4's data using a USB storage device. You can come in here and do all that. You can delete your backup data if need be. You can also transfer data from another PS4. So if this is a new PS4, you can come in here and do that. But ultimately, you would need that, like an external hard drive, USB, or a USB stick in order to use these options to get that data over. So let's just go back to the main screen of settings again, and you're going to go all the way down, like I said, and click on initialization. So click on that. Next, what you want to do is you want to click on Initialize PS4. I know it sounds weird because you're deleting data, you're not setting something up, but this is the way they have it, the way it works. So Initialize PS4. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to click on, you can either do quick delete data from system storage and then initialize the PS4. This method might allow third parties to retrieve the data by using specialized tool, or you can completely delete data from system storage and initialize the PS4. This method takes several hours. So it really depends. In a quick rush, you can do this one, especially if you're not concerned with somebody getting your data on here. Otherwise, do the full. It does take several hours, but it will completely remove everything and make it a lot harder. Nothing's impossible with tech, but it makes it a lot harder for them to get your data off. So for me, since I'm getting rid of this and I'm giving it to Best Buy, and then who knows what they're gonna go do with it, I'm gonna do a full. And it says all users and data will be deleted. The PS4 will be deactivated for any users who have activated it as their primary PS4. So you have cancel and initialize at the bottom. So I am going to click on initialize. It's going to go through the deactivation. It says if you initialize the PS4, all users and all data will be deleted from the PS4. This operation takes several hours. Are you sure you want to continue? After you select yes, the PS4 will automatically restart and initialization will start. So I'm going to hit yes. And again, it's going to delete everything. It's going to basically set this back to factory settings. And since I'm doing full, it's going to take several hours. You can see it's restarting the PlayStation 4 at this point. So I will let this do its thing for the next few hours, hopefully is all it'll take. And then I'll come back just to show you that it has been completely factory reset. So at this point, you can see it's pretty much done. It's asking me to plug in my controller and go through the steps of setting this up again, but everything is deleted. So once you see this screen, you are good to go and set this system up because everything's been deleted and everything should be safe at this point. So there you guys go. That is how to factory reset your PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 4 Pro consoles. Now, when you do this, you're able to trade it into a store like GameStop or Best Buy, or you're able to sell it on your own on eBay or Craigslist or Swappa or one of those sites. So you have a bunch of options. Just check out what's the better option overall. Right now, at the time of making this video, trading it into the stores is actually almost equal to selling it with a lot less hassle. So look into that direction as well to check it out. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you're getting the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox Series S or X. Thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road. Peace.